So hey guys, this case study is about the resistance to the renovation of NAIA Terminal 1. So its renovation has been the talk of the town for years now, and as we all are agreeing to its immediate rehabilitation, there is still some resistance to it. Even if this will most likely benefit our economy, there is still political tension and corrupt interest on this matter. To start off, Megawide proposed a 109 billion rehabilitation of NAIA Terminal 1. The Manila International Airport Authority, or MIAA, denied the project and revoked the company's original proponent status. And also, some sectors didn't want NAIA renovated. So, an original proponent status gives a company the right to match other groups' offers and win the project under a Swiss challenge, which is a bidding process that allows rivals to submit competing offers. So going back to the matter at hand, Megawide claimed that they did not know the reasons why they got revoked, and to make things more suspicious, the reasons for denial were not immediately released. It was only revealed during a Senate hearing that MIAA ultimately agreed with the assessment, but they think the company did not have sufficient financial backing to undertake the rehabilitation. But the truth of the matter is that Megawide stated on December 21, 2020 that they had enough equity to comply with the requirements of the project according to the Build Operate Transfer law. Megawide believes that corruption and competing business interests are what caused the revocation of the original proponent status. And to give it more depth, some competitors and groups wanting to build other airports around NCR may be against it, since having a modernized and functional NAIA may hurt their bids. So for me, the parties involved in this case should set corrupt business interest and backwardness aside. The rehabilitation of NAIA is a critical step towards our country's economic recovery, and having to reject a very capable and qualified company for this project goes to show that corruption may be prevalent in this case. To add, Megawide GMR Consortium was not the first group to push for the rehabilitation. A super consortium consisting of our country's top construction eventually backed out from the deal. We should all work towards re-establishing our country's name by showcasing our newly renovated airport. We should work towards modernity and professionalism. Like if I had a construction company right now, I'd be sad that I wouldn't get the opportunity to renovate NAIA, but knowing that there are other companies that are more qualified for the job, I wouldn't be against it. So yes, we should work towards progress and professionalism. So this is Elisa Clava, and I hope you have a good day. Thank you.